Matrices Lecture 2.
Hi, hello everyone. For this session, we will discuss new concept. So here, definition of a trace of a matrix. So here, trace means the sum of the principal diagonal elements of any square matrix is called trace of a matrix, and it is denoted by trace of it. Okay. So for example, A is equals to Aij, whose order is 3 by 3. So see here, number of rows is equals to number of columns. Therefore, clearly this is a square matrix. Now this can be written as A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. So clearly, so these are the principal diagonal elements. Then trace of A is what? Sum of these principal diagonal elements. That is A11 plus A22, A33. So this is the trace of a matrix. So next to see the properties. So first one, trace of Ka is equals to K into trace of it. Here A is any square matrix. So for example, let A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And Ka, so what is Ka? Multiplying K with each and every element, that is K, 2K, 3K, 4K. Okay. Now find a trace of A. So clearly trace of A is what? 1 plus 4, that is 5. And K into trace of this is 5K. And find trace of Ka. So 4K plus K, that is 5K. So clearly both trace of Ka and K into trace of A are equal. So this is the first property. So next property, trace of A plus or minus B is equals to trace of A plus or minus trace of B. So for example, consider any two square matrix, that is A 1 0 2 3 and B is equals to 2 1 3 5. So find trace of A, that is 4, trace of B, that is 7. Find A plus B. So what you get? 1 plus 2, 3, 1, 5, 8. So clearly trace of A plus B is what? 11. So clearly trace of A plus B is equals to what? Trace of A plus trace of B. So similarly, trace of A minus B is equals to trace of A minus trace of B. So this is the property number 2. So next third property, trace of AB is equals to trace of B. Okay. So for example, take these two matrices A and B, that are square matrices, and multiplying AB. So from the above example, multiplication of A and B is what? Here 1 0 2 3 into 2 1 3 5. So clearly AB is equals to what? 2 plus 0, that is 2, and 1 plus 0, that is 1. Next to 4 plus 9, that is 13. Next to 2 plus 15, that is 17. So clearly trace of AB is what? 19. Next find BA, that is 2135 into 1023. Again find these two. Here 2 plus 2, that is 4. Next 0 plus 3, that is 3. Next 3 plus 10, 13. Next 0 plus 15, that is 15. So clearly trace of BA also will get 19. So therefore trace of AB write as trace of B. So both are equal. So next property number 4, trace of AB is not is equals to trace of A into trace of B. So see the above example once. What is trace of AB? 19. And trace of A is 4. Trace of B is 7. So 28 is not is equals to 19. So therefore trace of A is not equals to trace of A into trace of B. So next one, trace of ABC is equals to trace of BCA is equals to trace of CAB. See, all ABC are any three matrices, then trace of ABC, trace of BCA, trace of CAB. So these three are equal. So these are the properties of trace of a matrices. So see the next definition, symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. So symmetric means a square matrix A is said to be symmetric if A transpose is equals to A. And it is said to be skew symmetric if A transpose is equals to minus A. So for example, A is equals to 1, 2, 2, 3. So clear this is a square matrix. So find A transpose. What you get? 1, 2, 2, 3. So again we will get A. Therefore this matrix is called symmetric matrix. So next one, skew symmetric. So means, for example, A is equals to 0, 2, minus 2, 0. So find A transpose. What you get? 0 minus 2, 2, 0. So clear this is what? Minus A. Therefore this type of matrix is called skew symmetric matrix. And properties, here let A is symmetric matrix. So first one, A plus A transpose, okay, and A transpose and K into A are symmetric. Okay, here A is any symmetric matrix, then clearly A plus A transpose, KA are symmetric matrices. So see here first one, A plus A transpose. So find A plus A transpose, whole transpose. So clearly what is this? A transpose plus A transpose whole transpose. Again you get A transpose plus A. Therefore this is what? Symmetric matrix. Next one, A transpose. So A transpose whole transpose is what? A. This A also write as A transpose. This is what? Symmetric. And K. So K into A whole transpose is equals to what? K into A transpose. What is A transpose? A. Again you get K. Therefore K also symmetric. So for example, A into A transpose. So find this A into A transpose whole transpose. So this can be written as A transpose whole transpose into A transpose. So this is what? A into A transpose. So this is also symmetric matrix. So clearly these are all are symmetric. See the second one, A is symmetric, then minus A inverse also symmetric matrix. See here, take minus A whole transpose. So what you get? Minus 1 into A transpose. So this is minus C. Therefore minus A is symmetric. And here A inverse whole transpose. So this can be written as A transpose whole inverse. Again, this is what? A inverse whole transpose. Okay? This is also a symmetric. Okay. So see the next property. If A and B are symmetric matrices, then A plus B, AB plus BA, and A plus A transpose are symmetric. So see here, first find A plus B whole transpose. So what you get? A transpose plus B transpose. But what is A transpose? A, because of A is symmetric, and similarly B transpose is equals to B. Therefore A plus B whole transpose is A plus B. So A plus B is symmetric. So next one, AB plus BA whole transpose. So this is what? AB whole transpose plus BA whole transpose. Now this is what? B transpose A transpose plus A transpose B transpose. So here BA plus AB. So clearly AB plus BA also symmetric. And find A plus A transpose of whole transpose. This is A transpose plus A transpose whole transpose. So what you get? A transpose plus A. So this is also symmetric. See here third one, A and B are skew symmetric. Then A minus B, AB minus BA, and A minus A transpose also skew symmetric matrices. See here first find A minus B whole transpose. So what you get? A transpose minus B transpose. Here what is A transpose? Minus A, and B transpose is minus B, that is B. So we will get minus of A minus B. Therefore A minus B is skew symmetric. So next one, AB minus BA whole transpose. So this is what? AB whole transpose minus BA whole transpose. So this is B transpose A transpose minus A transpose B transpose. But A and B are skew symmetric. B transpose is equals to minus B, A transpose is equals to minus A. And here also minus A minus B. So this is BA minus AB. So from this you will get AB minus of AB minus B. So therefore AB minus BA is skew symmetric matrix. So now we will discuss few problems. So see our first problem. Here A is equals to 1 0 1 1. Okay. Next I is what? 1 0 0 1. Then which of the following holds for all n greater than or equals to 1? So find first A square, that is 1 0 1 1 into 1 0 1 1. So multiply these two, what you get? 1 0 1 plus 1, that is 2, and 1. Next A cube. So what is that? 1 0 2 1, that is A square into A. Now multiply again these two. So what you get? 1 0 3 1. So similarly here, what is A matrix? 1 0 0 1. So here second row first element is 1. In A square second row first element is 2. In A cube second row first element is 3. So similarly A power n is what? 1 0 n 1. Okay. This is A power n by. Next find NA. So what is that? N 0 n. Next find n minus 1 into I. So because of all options are n minus 1 into I, n minus 1 into I are there. So that's why you are consider n minus 1 I and n. Now this is what? N minus 1 into identity matrix. That is n minus 1, 0, 0, n minus 1. Now a power n value is 1, 0, n 1. See here, if you subtract na n minus 1, you will get 1, 0, n 1. See here, na minus n minus 1 into I. What is that? N minus 1, that is 1, 0. Next n minus 0, n minus of n minus 1, that is 1. So clearly what is this? E power n. So a power n value is what? Na minus n minus 1 into a. So clearly option 3. Next, see the second question. Trace of a is given, trace of 4a is what? So we know that if a is any square matrix, then trace of ka write as k into trace of a. Therefore this can be written as 4 into trace of a. So 4 into 6 is 24. So clear option 4. So see the next question. So A and B are two matrices. Then find trace of B. So first you need to find BA. See here, BA is what? So matrix B is 1 0 0 0 3 0 0 4 5 into matrix A, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 0. So now multiplying these two matrices, then find trace of BA. So your trace means the sum of the principal diagonal elements. So therefore you can find diagonal elements in matrix B. See here, that is what? First row, first column. So clear, that is 1. And second row, second column. Multiplying second row, second column. What you get? 15. And third row, third column. So multiply third row with the third column. So what you get? 24. Now add these three. So that is what? Trace of BA. So trace of BA is what? 1 plus 15 plus 24. That is 40. So this is the trace of BA. So clearly option 1. So next one. Here order of A is given, that is 3 by 4. So order of A is 3 by 4. And B is any matrix such that A transpose into B and B into A transpose are possible. Then find the order of B. See here, A transpose into B and B into A transpose are different, are possible. Okay. See here, what is the order of A transpose? So clearly rows has columns, columns has rows. That is order of A transpose is 4 by 3. Next here, A transpose B. Next here, B into A transpose. Here product is possible. And order of A transpose is 4 by 3. So whenever product of these two are possible, if number of columns in first matrix is equals to number of rows in first matrix, so then only product is possible. Next here you need to find columns in matrix B. So using second condition. See here, order of A transpose is 4 by 3. So here also product is possible. Therefore, number of columns in first matrix is equals to number of rows in second matrix. Therefore, number of columns in B is 4. So then only B into A transpose is possible. So here columns are 4. Here rows are 3. Therefore, order of B is what? 3 by 4. So clearly option 1. So see the next question. 3a plus 4b transpose and 2b minus 3a transpose are given. Then find matrix B. So given 3a plus 4b transpose. So what is that? 7 minus 17, 0, 6, 31 and 2b minus 3a transpose. So what is that? Minus 1, 18, 4 minus 6 minus 5 minus 6. So using these two matrices, you can find matrix B. See here, take transpose of this matrix. So what you get? 3a transpose here, 4b. And add these two matrices, then we will get matrix B. So first transpose of this matrix, that is 3a plus 4b transpose whole transpose is equals to transpose of this, that is write rows as columns, columns as rows. So 7 0 minus 10 6 17 13. So this is what 3a transpose plus 4b transpose whole transpose. So this is 7 0 minus 10 6 17 13. Therefore this is what 3a transpose plus 4b is equals to, this is similar, 7 0 minus 10 6 17 13. This is equation 1 and this is equation. So add 1 and 2. See here 3a transpose minus 3a transpose get cancelled, 4b plus 2b 6b. And here add the corresponding elements. So see here that is 6, 18, minus 6, 0, 12, 24. Now b is equals to what? 6 by 6, that is 1, 3, minus 1, 0, 2, 4. So this is matrix B. See here P plus Q is what? 2, 3, 5, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2. And P is symmetric, that is P transpose equals to P. And Q is Q symmetric, that is Q transpose is equals to minus Q. So take transpose of this matrix, that is P transpose plus Q transpose. So here 2 4 1 3 1 2 5 2 1. So what is P transpose? P, and Q transpose is minus Q. So P minus Q is what? 2 4 1 3 1 2 5 2 1. This is equation 2, this is equation 1. Now using these two equations, you can find a matrix Q. So clearly subtract 1 and 2. So what you get? Q minus of minus Q, that is 2Q is equals to 2 minus 2, 0, minus 1, 5 minus 1, 4, next to 4 minus 3, 1, 0, 0. Next 1 minus 5, minus 4, 0, 0. So therefore matrix Q is what? 0, minus 1 by 2, 2, 1 by 2, 0, 0, minus 2, 0, 0. So this is matrix Q. So next to see the seventh one. Here order of A is 2 by 3. And order of B is 3 by 2. And order of C is 3 by 3. So here which of the following is not defined? So see the first option, CB plus A transpose. So what is the order of C? 3 by 3. And order of B is 3 by 2. So clearly number of columns in first matrix is equal to number of rows in second matrix. Therefore, CB is possible. And plus A transpose. So what is order of A transpose? 3 by 2. So clearly, therefore addition also possible. So this is possible. And see the second one, BAC. So what is order of B? 3 by 2. Order of A is 2 by 3. And order of C is 3. So clearly see here, BA. Number of columns in first matrix is equals to number of rows in second matrix. Therefore, BA is possible. And order of BA is what? 3 by 3. And C also 3 by 3. Therefore, BAC is possible. Next, see the third one. C into A plus B transpose whole transpose. So, what is order of C? 3 by 3. And see here order of A, 2 by 3. Order of B transpose, that is 2 by 3. So clearly both matrices have same order, therefore addition is possible. And whose order is what? 2 by 3. Therefore C into A plus B transpose whole transpose. So order of C is 3 by 3 and order of this matrix is 3 by 2. So clearly number of columns and your number of rows are equal. So this is also possible. And fourth one, C into A plus B transpose. So order of C is 3 by 3 and order of A is what? 2 by 3. And order of B transpose, that is also 2 by 3. So clearly both matrices of same order, therefore addition is possible. And product is what? See here, order of C is 3 by 3 and order of A plus B transpose is 2 by 3. So but here number of columns in first matrix is 3. So number of rows in A plus B transpose is 2. So these are not equal. Therefore this is not possible. So clearly fourth one is not defined. So see the eighth solution. A is equals to 0, 1, 1, 0. Then find A power 2060. See here what is A square? 0, 1, 1, 0 into 0, 1, 1, 0. So multiplying these two matrices, what you get? 1, 0, 0, 1. So clearly A square is what? Identity matrix, that is denoted by I. So now find A power 2016. That is what? This can be written as A square whole to the power of 1008. Okay. But what is A square? That is identity matrix. So clearly I power 1008. So I power anything, you will get identity matrix only. Therefore, A power 2060 value is right. So clearly option 1. So for next session, we will discuss more problems.